Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AJ Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money-making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best funnel builders. You can boom your sales with rocket speed, free, get unlimited sales. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money-making survey site for you to check out. The I button. I do not recommend, I only suggest investment online have a risk, so please research before them. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is GrooveFunnel? GrooveFunnels is an across-the-board instrument that permits clients to fabricate deals pipes, greeting pages, and sites to sell items on the web. It's another device that's getting a great deal of openness. The #1 page and funnel building platform. Is GrooveFunnels genuine? GrooveFunnels offers a truly decent associate program, with some immense potential. Free clients acquire 20% repeating commissions, while platinum individuals acquire 40% repeating in addition to 10% second-level commissions. Albeit the repetitive viewpoint will just happen once Groove changes to its month-to-month plans. Is GrooveFunnels free? Is GrooveFunnels free? No. GrooveFunnels isn't free. However, Mike Filsaime and the group chose to make their groundbreaking deals and associate stage Groove sell free, just as a light form of the presentation page manufacturer Groove Pages. What amount is Groove Pages? How? The previous charge is $297 per month for limitless pages and channels, while Groove Pages just charges a one-time expense of $497 forever. When Groove Pages is out of beta, estimating begins from $99 every month. At the present time, you not only get Groove Pages but you also get Groove Sell for free. Groove Sell is a finished and vigorous shopping basket and offshoot program. 1. Complete offshoot framework. 2. Product and affiliate marketplace. 3. Content delivery made easy. 4. Analytics and data. All you require to sell products and services online. Not just a page and channel manufacturer. 1. Free, unlimited products. 2. Free, build brand websites with full route. 3. Free, custom domains. 4. Free, bandwidth and facilitating. 5. Free, sell items with one-click upsells. 6. Free, upsells, downsells, and order bumps. 7. Free, the universe's most impressive member program. 8. Powerful computerized, social put-together email promoting based with respect to labeling, discretionary with Groove Mail. 9. Membership site stage, discretionary with Groove Member. 10. Powerful video showcasing assembled directly in, discretionary with Groove Video. I hope you all really like this tool or this funnel. Stay with us for the more interesting video of the online earning. Don't forget to share the video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Good luck.